Hey, is that your dog out there?
Yep, what about him?
You can't have him off the leash in this neighborhood.
The yard has a fence around it.
The gate is wide open.
Well, I'll close it if it makes you feel better, but he ain't gonna go nowhere.
Well, what if he does?
Then he'll find his way back home.
How? He doesn't even have a collar on.
You realize that's a hunting dog, right?
Oh, so he's trained to attack people.
Only jerks from the HOA.
Excuse me, sir?
Listen, I'm just babysitting my grandson for a few hours, and then me and my dog will leave.
No, you need to bring him inside, or go back to the trailer you came from.
Or what?
Or I can call animal control.
Alright then, go ahead and call him.
Ugh, you country folk just think you can do whatever you want.
Well, that's calling the kettle black.
Hello?